Today's Saturday, September 14th. This is the 1965 Cadillac Eldorado convertible comfort control in-dash unit. This is the in-dash comfort controller for the 1965 Cadillac Eldorado, different than the 66, which is a climate control. This is the comfort control. It is the Eldorado variant as depicted by the wood grain cover for the chrome bezel. Okay, that's an Eldorado specific detail. So the unit has been completely disassembled. I've changed the DAC and two of the diodes and recalibrated and restored the internal switch, and the potentiometer was good. I've merely lubricated it and calibrated it, and we'll be reusing it. And this is video number 1 out of a 2-video set. The second video will be the final assembly that will also have the restained wood grain trim for the front bezel cover. Okay, today is Saturday, September 14th. This is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1976, all the way through 78 for the Cadillac Eldorado. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical, hard-to-source, original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Saturday, September 14th. Thank you very kindly.